folks, how's it going? I thought it would be nice. Kind of lava lamp that beer for you so you can see what's going on. As always, my EDC light that I had to dig out of my pocket. I EDC, do you? You should. Anyway, the song that played in for us is Manic Street Preachers. And the name of the song is Journal for Plague Lovers, and that's why I picked it. Kind of sitting with the theme. We're looking at Belching Beaver Phantom Bride, but it's got skulls and death shit on it, and so that works for me. I'm okay with that. Deftones Phantom Bride release. Named after the ethereal song by the one and only Deftones, Phantom Bride IPA is a blend of Amarillo, Citra, Simcoe, and Mosaic hops, delicately balanced for the perfect drinkable mix of citrus and hoppy goodness. A truly original Deftones Belching Beaver collaboration envisioned by Chino Moreno and skillfully crafted by Thomas Peters. Sit back, put on your headphones, and drink away. Availability is year-round. Alcohol is 7.1 ABV. The bitterness is 60 IBUs, which is outside of my comfort zone. I will tell you, when I popped this and poured it, fruity, juicy, and hoppy, and that was nowhere near my notes. But looks like she laces pretty nicely. Hope everybody's doing well and staying safe and social distancing, which I just called avoiding annoying people, but apparently it's a thing now. And remember, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Super hoppy. And citrusy. So, at some point I'm going to have to figure out which one it is. Is it the Citra? Is it the Simcoe? Is it the Mosaics? Is it all of them? Even the Amarillos? Are those all the citrusy, hoppy ones and not the piney ones? Because I've been doing this for like 2 years now. At some point you think I'd bother to friggin' look it up. The nose isn't bad. I mean, it's an IPA nose, and it's a hoppy IPA nose, so. Okay. That's the nose. Let's give it a tongue. Kind of surprising. Fruity. Not overpoweringly bitter. Which is kind of what I was expecting when we looked at those notes. Now, to tell you in all honesty, I pulled that out of the bucket of ice because it has been absolutely beautiful out here today. It was like 84, which would be nice if Trumpo is right, and that's what kills off the Cabrona imaginary bullshit disease that might not actually be that imaginary or bullshit. Still hedging my bets. Anyway. There you go. Bucket of beers. And it's actually loaded with Warsteiner because I got a good deal on Warsteiner. So I grabbed a bunch. Why the hell not? I'm going to get locked in the house. I'm getting locked in the house with fucking beer. If I'm not, people are going to be in really bad shape. Not me, mind you. The rest of the world. So, not as bitter as I thought she was going to be. What's on the can, other than Cheers Nathan, is what I read you off the page. I like the artwork. And these guys are out of Oceanside, California. Let's try the tongue again. The temperature was 42 degrees. We are just outside the drinkable window, but I had to pull it out of a bucket of friggin' ice and leave it out for a minute, so. Really better than I thought. So, fruity up front, none of the bitter. Back end is neither dry nor clean, but it's not bad. This is a drinkable beer, even for an IPA. Now, granted, 2 degrees outside the approved 44 to 48 degree window. This is okay. I don't like IPAs. I'm not an IPA guy. This is not an assault to the palate. This is not a bad beer. I'd drink these. 3.75. Bump it up another half. Well, you know what? I'll tell you this right now, since I like this. Odds are that the super hoptastic, groovy, whatever it is, people that love IPAs, Squizzy will probably say that this is not within their wheelhouse and it's not in the acceptable range, because it's literally not an assault on the palate. You're not being forcibly face fucked by this beer. Just saying, completely drinkable. I would order this. You know, there are going to be days when this beer is looking actually really good. And those days will probably be in the 100-degree range when I'm laying in the pool, because 7%'s getting up there to sit outside and dehydrate. Not bad. All right, folks. Thank you for swinging by, putting some eyeballs on here. New guys, welcome aboard. Thank you for signing up. Appreciate you having here. Skull. There are a couple of guys who've sent me some stuff. Some fella named Tim. Tim, thank you for the kind words. There's another fella out of Louisiana whose name escapes me at the moment. But, really good fella. I want to say it's Justin Thoreau. But I could be wrong. Let me double check. Anyway, he just did a live fruit beer tasting. And didn't invite me. Thanks, fucker. What, because I'm in Arizona, we don't have fruit beers? I don't know what kind of fruit beers they were drinking. It's an hour long, so I didn't really watch much of it. Checked in, gave him a thumbs up and some kind words, because he's a nice fella. The fruit beer is Ronald Thoreau, or Theriot, or I don't know. It's from Louisiana, and they got that frog language down there. So, nice fella. 1 hour, 3 minutes, and 40 seconds, but he's drinking with 3 other guys. I should really do that. I need to find 3 other people to drink beer with me on the internet. And again, I've been practicing social distancing from live people. Do I need to practice social distancing from digital people? Anyway, I just want to say thank you to him. Kind words. I appreciate it. It was a nice video, by the way. I'm going to go back and finish it up, but I got a house full of people and dogs, and it's coronavirus season, which I'm still out on. Look at the plague log and put the plague log up to. Alrighty, folks. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for putting some eyeballs on here and giving me some of your shut-in time. Hopefully this will kind of blow the channel up a little too, so pass it around to your friends and tell them, hey, get a load of jackass. I'd appreciate it. Alright. Thank you much. I will catch you on the next review. This is number 4? 5? I'd have to go back and look, but I'm lazy. And the Pandemic series. Skull, my friend. Stay healthy. Remember, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Just like row your boat. Sing a couple of verses and your shit's nice and clean. Skull.